Today we're just going to be showing what you will expect when you order a Bluecup starter pack. You should receive your starter pack in a few different ways, one of them being recycled packaging. So members from our local community donate packaging, and sometimes this means that we can send out our orders using pre-loved boxes. So sometimes you might find that there's different branding. This is just because we are really passionate about closing the loop. So you might find that it comes in a reused box, might also show up in one of our boxes, or sometimes we also reuse these, which we just turn inside out and pop the Bluecup starter in, seal it up and send it on its way. Bluecup are manufactured in the Netherlands. In your Bluecup starter pack you will find a spoon holder, some instructions, the cup creator, which opens up like so, a pack of 100 lids. Some of the advantages of Bluecup are that the pods are made from the same plastic as Keep Cup, so they're Bpa-Free, they're really fantastic and durable, flexible, tested for food safety and durability, literally the safest food grade plastic. And of course, at the end of their life, after at least 400 uses, you will be able to pop them in your home recycling and they will be recycled. So they're a really fantastic alternative to single-use pods. They also perform and behave very similar to disposable pods in that they utilize a aluminium lid, and that lid gets pierced during extraction, and that process creates a nice little internal pressure buildup, and internal pressure buildup equates to nice, rich, robust coffee, a really beautiful espresso, and a nice creamy crema on top. So they're a really nice reusable option when you're initially moving from single use over to an eco-friendly solution. We believe that the best reusable is the one that you actually use. It's really affordable and creates a delicious coffee and is a great user-friendly option. So yeah, Bluecup.